Hello everyone. Software installation via group policy. Let us consider a scenario. In your office, there are 500 computers and you want to install Google Chrome, Adobe, 7-Zip, AnyConnect and many other softwares in all these 500 computers. So it is not easy that you physically go to the computers and manually install all the softwares on the computers. So as a system admin, to make your life easy, you can install this software remotely using group policy. So in this video, we are checking it out how we can push Google Chrome from the group policy and get installed on all the client machines. Let us check the steps what we have to follow. First thing, we have to download the MSI file. First thing, we have to download the Google Chrome MSI file. For that, you can go to Internet Explorer and just type Google Chrome MSI download for 64-bit. That will land over here and you can select the language here. Yeah, it will land over here and you can download the MSI file from here. So I have downloaded the MSI file. It has come to the downloads and I have extracted that file. If you open this in the installer, this is the MSI file to be installed. So let us move to the second step. Create a share folder and copy the MSI file into it. So we should create a share folder. For that, inside C drive, tools, folder called tools I have created and I have copied that MSI file into it. So this is the file. Now what I did, I just shared this tools folder. For that, right click, go to properties, sharing, advanced sharing, permission. In your organization, you should not give everyone. Instead of that, you should give that authenticated users, and you should give access to these authenticated users. Full control should be given to the authenticated users. Apply. Okay. So and just click on the share this folder. Click OK. Close. So we have the second step is over. We have to create a share folder and copy that MSI file into that and give necessary permission to the shared folder. Now we are going to create the GPO. Create the GPO. Let us open the server manager and go to tools. Click on group policy management. Now let us create the group policy for the Google Chrome installation and apply to this OU. We have moved our computer to this OU and we are going to create this policy for the Google Chrome installation on this OU named IT department. So right click over here and create a GPU in this domain and link it here. And we have to name to this group policy. I'm giving the name as Google Chrome installation. Okay, click on OK. So, and right click and click on edit. Computer configuration, policies, click on software settings, software installation. Right click on new package. Here we have to give the location. So instead of giving the local location, we have to give the shared location. For that, double click IP address of this machine 10.0.0.5 and go to tools, Google Chrome installers, and this is that particular file. So let us give the shared path here. This is very important step because normally if you give the local path, it will not work. The installation will not work properly. We have to give the shared path here and click open and select deployment method. It should be assigned. Click OK. See, the source path should be in this format. It should not be in C drive uh, tools. It should not be in that format. It should be in the shared folder format, shared format. So it is being created now and get applied to the OU called IT department. Okay, so it should be when we restart the client machine, it should get installed automatically. So this is the client machine, Windows 10. We go and check the version, Windows WinWare. It is Windows 10 machine, and let us close this command prompt and type it again, CMD. If we check the host name, C client -10. And if you go to the appvis.cpl in the programs, you cannot see the Google Chrome over here. So we have to either we have to restart the machine, or we can gp update /force. And normally the softwares will be get installed while restarting the machine. So we will have to restart this machine to the software get installed. So it got applied. That is the reason it is asking for us to restart it. So I'm giving yes and let the machine get okay to restart. Yes, restarting the computer. So the machine got restarted. Let us check whether Google Chrome got installed or not. Click on yes. So it is showing please wait. This itself shows that the software in the background, when it is getting installed, normally we get this option. So which means that installation is going on in the background. Let us check whether it got installed or not. See, you can see Google Chrome over here, and if you check the date and time, you could see, go to appvis.cpl. It got installed today at this time. So this is the way how we can install a software through group policy. So whenever a client machine get restarted, it will automatically get installed on all these 500 machines. So we'll meet you in another video. Bye.